Hi all, this is Simrita Basroor. Welcome to my YouTube channel Simrita Basroor's Corner. Today I'm going to talk to you all about another topic, that is second bonds. So जिन जिन लोगों ने भी फर्स्ट बॉन्ड्स के बारे में नहीं सुना होगा या नहीं जाना होगा, उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. So do click on the link and have a look and try to understand what is being told. And before we move on to the second bonds, like I always say, remember, this is just for your information. This video is just for your information and wholly and solely based on researches which have been done since many years, as well as some of the recent researches. We are also trying our level best to make you understand that there are many stereotypes attached to the birth order. Birth order yani the first born, second borns, last borns and the only child. सो ये चार जो स्टेजेस मैं हर एक वीडियो में कवर करने वाली हूँ सब टॉपिक्स लेके. सो कीप वॉचिंग देम एंड लेट अस मूव ऑन टुडे विद द फर्स्ट सेकेंड बॉन्ड्स. एंड द सेकेंड बॉन्ड्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज मिडल चाइल्ड. नाउ फॉर दिस वीडियो स्पेसिफिकली मिडल चाइल्ड मतलब मैं ये बोलने वाली हूँ कि जिनके बड़े भाई बहन भी होते हैं और छोटे भाई बहन भी होते हैं, ईदर और वो बीच में होते हैं. सो दे आर द मिडल बॉन्ड्स और द सेकेंड बॉन्ड्स. Now, just like the previous video which I had done on the first bonds, I'll go first with the personality traits about the second bonds. So यहाँ पे researchers के मुताबिक ये देखा गया है कि second bonds are said to be that they appear to be rebellious, they appear to be hot-tempered, and at the same time some researchers support in saying that they also are excellent in communication skills, as well as they also find it a bit hard to move on with their emotions. Some researchers say that they might turn out to be public or people pleasers, and at the same time some researchers also say that there can be a certain level of heaviness in their hearts, so it becomes a bit difficult for them to at times say what is in their heart. Now let me tell you all about certain challenges faced by second bonds or the middle child. So most of the challenges seen as per researchers, and maybe आपने आपके रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में भी देखा होगा, जो भी मिडिल चाइल्ड होता है उनको they often feel sandwiched between the elder sibling and the younger sibling, because just like how the elder sibling is kind of a nurturer and a leader, and younger sibling is everyone's favorite, everyone's dear. Most of the times, not all face the same thing, but most of the times. So that what happens is middle child feels sandwiched in that. Then there is also less attention given to them at home, according to certain researchers, because अगर home environment वैसा हो जहाँ पे बड़े भाई बहन को उतना importance और मिल रहा हो, तो the second bonds might not be that fortunate enough. And also we need to understand that certain researchers also say that because elder one has a certain vision or is looked up to most of the time, the second one or the second bonds or the middle child is often neglected. Now the positives of the second bonds as per researchers is that they are loyal, they are friendly, they are outgoing, and they tend to make more friends than stay connected with the family members, because like it is shown in most of the researches that उतना उनको attention नहीं मिलता है उनके family की तरफ से. Now I would like to just clear one thing over here and clarify it properly, that every person is different, alright, and every person's home environment is different. Okay, जो मेरे घर पे जो संस्कार मुझे मिले हैं वो आपको मिले हैं, या फिर जो वातावरण या environment आपको मिला है वो मुझे मिला हो, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. Alright, the same thing happens, like how much ever we might talk today about the birth orders, that is the first born, second borns or everything. In every video of mine I often tell you all that this is not the ultimate thing. You need to understand that अलग अलग lessons अलग अलग इंसान सीखता है, अलग अलग choices करता है. Alright, so it does not mean कि because आपको एक problematic childhood था इसलिए आपका adulthood बुरा ही जाएगा. बहुत सारे लोग उस प्रॉब्लमेटिक चाइल्डहुड से उभर कर भी आते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग प्रॉब्लमेटिक चाइल्डहुड से उभर नहीं पाते हैं. Either which ways, the choice often to make is to go ahead. How to go ahead, when to go ahead, that all is on you. So it does not mean that because most of the researchers are saying that the middle child often gets less attention, does not mean that all the middle children of every family gets less attention. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. Alright, parents have certain responsibilities, certain duties, and they themselves are having challenges, and they themselves are humans. You can't expect everyone to be 100% or the best and the perfect one every time. No, we need to know that we are humans first. We need to give that much credit to our parents, that and be grateful to them for how much ever little or how much ever more than little they could do for us. For the conclusion part, I would just like to specify that if a parent is watching this video, then please do acknowledge your middle child. If you yourself are a middle child, you will understand what I'm trying to say in this video. And just a general viewer, like, don't start labeling people after watching this video. Thank you so very much. Keep watching for the next video, that is on last one.